Like a queen, like a queen, like a queen, a queen upon her throne.
Hey friends, hey, it's your girl Vondra and welcome back to my channel, Typical Black Queen. As you can tell by the title of this mini video, I'll be showing you how I maintain my afro by keeping it moisturized and stretched. You only need to use your favorite moisturizing product, and mine is from the Doux, the Twist and Curl Cream, and the cream stands for coconut, rose water, vitamin E, avocado, and manoi. I love the way the rose water smells in this product. This is a very simple and easy video, so I'm not going to talk y'all to death. We're just going to get into it.
Crazy, baby. You've got me turning to another man. Called you on the phone, no one's home. Baby, why leave me all alone? And if it wasn't for the music, I don't know what I'd do. Yeah. Last night a DJ saved my life. Last night a DJ saved my life. Broken heart. Last night a DJ saved my life. Last night a DJ saved my life with a song. I hopped into my car. Didn't get very far, no. Before I had you on my mind, why be so unkind? You've got your women all around this town. But I was trapped in love with you, and I didn't know what to do. Last night a DJ saved my life from a broken heart. Last night a DJ saved my life. Last night a DJ saved my life with a song.
It's not a problem that I can't fix, cause I can do it in the mix. And if your man gives you trouble, just to move out on a double, and you don't let it trouble your brain, cause away goes trouble down the drain.